Hello class 2. Morning. Welcome to the second part of English grammar chapter 2, that is the sentences. Okay, sorry, it is the sentence. Chapter 2, the sentence. First of all, write your name in the discussion box so that I could know that you are attending the class. And secondly, I have given you these sentences from page number 7 in the last part as homework. Have you written it in your notebook? These were 3 sentences. You have to rewrite the sentences. Now, in the last class I have told you that we will do one exercise in the book that is given on page number 8. That is given on page number 8. So, for this you need to take out your English course book, English notebook. That is your classwork notebook. You have got 2 notebooks. The classwork you will do it in classwork notebook, and the homework part you will do it in English homework notebook. And mark your classwork notebook as copy number 1 and homework notebook as copy number 2. English classwork notebook copy number 1 and English homework notebook is your copy number 2. Okay. So, let's directly go to the exercise. Your exercise is on page number 8 and the exercise says instructs you to rewrite these sentences using capital letters and full stops or the question marks. So, what you need to do? You need to rewrite these sentences. Okay. And this exercise of 10 sentences is your what is it? It is your classwork as well as your homework. In the last class only I have told you that I will give you a little more homework in the next class. पिछली क्लास में मैम ने बोला था कि अभी सिर्फ 3 sentences दे रही हूँ. In the next class you have to do more. So this is that next class in which you are going to get a little more homework today. Okay, I hope you will manage it. Okay, you have lots of time at home, you can do it. As much practice you will do, that much smart you will become. जितना practice करेंगे उतने smart बनेंगे आप. Now, what we need to do in this exercise? In this exercise, we have got 10 sentences and every sentence has some mistake. As I told you in the last class that there are 3 rules in the sentence. The first rule was that it starts with a capital letter. The second rule I told you is if there is any special name, it should be with the capital letter. And the third one was if it is a simple statement, it should end up with a full stop, and if it is a question statement or interrogative statement, it should end up with a question mark. Okay, so these 3 rules we have to follow and we have to rewrite these sentences. Okay, sentences I am reading it out. After that I will take out a new page to rewrite. Okay, for this exercise you need to take out your classwork notebook of English. Now the sentences are: Rohit plays the banjo every evening. Number 2 is Gina's mother teaches science in a school. Number 3, Aman is afraid of spiders. Number 4, we ordered 2 burgers at the restaurant. Till I am reading out the sentences, be ready with your notebook, English notebook. Number 5, how many days are there in a week? Number 6, January is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Number 7 is who won the music competition. Number 8 is you must not play with that knife. 9 is what did you buy from the supermarket? And number 10 is my cousin is a very skilled photographer. Now shall I open your English notebook, put today's date, classwork on the top, write English grammar. This is your English grammar. Chapter 2, the sentence. I hope this is visible to you. I hope the letters are visible to you. Classwork English Grammar Chapter 2, the sentence. And rewrite the statement I am not writing off. Okay. Just try. I am writing exercise A, page number 8. What I am writing? Exercise A, page number 8. From page number 8 from your grammar book. Page number 8 from your grammar book. Now, see the sentences. Number 1. I have made you understood that what you need to do. आपको क्या करना है? What you need to do? You need to rewrite the sentences and उसके बाद उसको the first letter should be capital. This if there is any special noun in the sentence, it should be with a capital letter, and at last if it is a statement, it should end up with a full stop, and if it is a question, it should end up with a question mark. Now the first is, I am writing the first sentence. Please try to write with the class, or else you have got the notes, you can follow that also. Okay. So, number 1. Number 1 is Rohit plays the banjo every evening. R-O-H-I-T, Rohit. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. T-H-E, the. B-A-N-J-O, banjo. E-V-E-R-Y, every. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Now we need to correct it, but before correcting it, we need to understand what is the mistake. Correct करने से पहले हमको ये जानना है कि इसमें mistake क्या है. The first sentence, the first letter is not capital. This is the mistake. And at last there is not any full stop. That is the mistake. So there are two mistakes that we need to rewrite. I am making a star. That means this sentence will be the correct sentence. So the correct sentence will be capital R, Rohit, P-L-A-Y-S, plays. T-H-E, the. B-A-N-J-O, banjo, every evening. In the last class only, I have told you that whenever we, for any musical instrument, it is the word playing. So, banjo is a musical instrument. जैसे गिटार एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, वैसे ही बैंजो भी एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. दैट इज प्लेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ, वो कीबोर्ड रहता है उसमें. ठीक है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर्स इट इज प्लेड. Rohit plays the banjo every evening, full stop. Now number 2. Statement number 2 is Statement number 2 is Gina's mother teaches science in a school. Gina''S. Gina's mother teaches science, SEINCE, science in a school. So first we need to observe the sentence that is there any mistake in the sentence? क्या sentence में कोई mistake है? So the first rule, that is the first letter should be capital. Yes, there is no capital letter at the starting. Starting में कोई भी capital letter नहीं है. So this needs to be corrected. And whenever you write any subject's name, English, Hindi, Maths, EVS, Science, Geography, Sanskrit, okay, the first letter needs to be capital. So here S is not capital. So this will also be corrected. And there is not a full stop at last. So there are in total 3 mistakes, 2 capitals and 1 full stop is needed here. So I am writing it as, I am rewriting the sentence. What we are doing? We are rewriting it. एक sentence दिया हुआ है, उसको rewrite करना है, फिर से लेकर correct करना है. So we are rewriting and correcting the sentence as capital G. Gina''S. Gina's mother teaches science. S will be capital here. See, science in a school. Gina's mother teaches science in a school. Just note it down. So that I could erase it. So may I erase it? Shall I? Yes, I am erasing it. This is exercise A, page number 8. This is exercise A from page number 8. And after that we will do sentence number 3, 4 and 5. Write down fast. This was exercise A from page number 'What we need to do? We need to rewrite the sentences after correcting it. Okay? So your class work from chapter 2, English Grammar chapter 2. The sentence. We were at exercise A from page number 8. Exercise A, page number 8. 2 sentences we did. Now I am here at sentence number 3, and sentence number 3 is Afraid means to fear, to get frightened. Afraid का मतलब होता है डरना. Afraid of spiders. 3 sentences, 3 rules madam has told you. First, the first letter must be capital of the sentence, and if there is any special name, it should be started with capital letter, and the third is it should end with a question mark or a full stop. If it is a statement, it should end up with a full stop. So this is a statement where first letter is not capital and at last there is no full stop. So the answer is as follows. A should be capital here because Aman is a special name as well as it is the starting of the sentence. Aman is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid of spiders. And at last there will be a full stop. Aman is afraid of spiders. Number 4. Number 4 is we ordered. W-E-B. Ordered. T-W-O-2. Burgers. B-U-R-G-E-R-S. We ordered 2 burgers at the restaurant. At the restaurant. See students, the spelling of restaurant. R-E-S, T-A-U-R-A-N-T. According to the phonics, it should be restaurant, isn't it? And we are generally saying it a restaurant, but this is not the correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this particular word is restaurant. What is the pronunciation? Restaurant. Although the spelling is restaurant. Spelling restaurant है, लेकिन उसे बोलते restaurant है. Okay. So, what is the mistake here? The mistakes are the first letter is not capital and at last there is no full stop. So, the answer or the correct statement would be V. W will be capital. W will be capital. We ordered 2. T-W-O burgers. B-U-R-G-E-R-S. Burgers at the restaurant. What is the word? Restaurant. But it is written as restaurant. And a full stop. So up to number 4 we have done. Just write it fast. Aman is afraid of spiders, and the next is we ordered 2 burgers at the restaurant. Now number 5. This exercise is exercise A from page number question mark, and the first letter must be capital. So the correct statement is capital H. That day also I have told you how to write capital H in cursive. How many days are there in a week? Question mark. Now come to sentence number 6. January is the first month of the year. This is a statement. The first letter will be capital and at last there will be a full stop. I am going a little faster, I know that, but I think you might have understood. Number 6 is January. January is the first. F-I-R-S-T. First. January is the first month of the year. So, the correct statement would be J. See, how do we write capital J? How do we write capital J? I want to show you. These are 4 lines of your English notebook. So, from the second line you will start writing. And this slanting line will touch the 4th line and then it will come back. January. January is the first month of the year. And a full stop. January is the first month of the year. Only 4 sentences are left. Sorry. Now next is sentence number 7. Sentence number 7. Sentence 7. And the 7th sentence is, who won the music competition? Music competition किसने जीता? As the sentence says, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा that this is a question. So it will be ended up with a question mark. WHO, who? WON, won the music competition. COMPTITION. So this is a question and WON. Both are pronounced as the same. दोनों वर्ड्स अलग है लेकिन प्रोनाउंसिएशन दोनों का सेम है. Who won the music competition? And a question mark. Who won the music competition? Now number 8. Number 8 is you must not play with that knife. आपको उस knife के साथ नहीं खेलना चाहिए. This is a statement. It will be started with a capital letter and it will be ended up with a full stop. You must not play with that knife. The statement is you must not play with that knife. So, what would be the correct written form of the statement? It will be as the first letter is capital. Again, I want to show you how you have to write capital Y. As I have shown you how you have to write capital J, I will show you how you have to write capital Y. See, again from the second line only you have to start it like this. You MUST must not PLAY play with that knife. You must not play with that knife. First letter will be capital and at last there will be a full stop to close the statement.